This is the famous Tsitsikamma big tree next to the N2. They say it's a 1,000-year-old, 1,000-year-plus-year-old tree. 4 point something meters in diameter from the one side to the other. Look at that big scales. The older the tree, the bigger the scales. So yeah, this is the big boy of Tsitsikamma. And then its smaller brother is to this side. You just walk on this path, just close to it, yeah. You get its little brother. Also a nice size, you know. Going way up. Okay, so that is the famous Tsitsikamma big tree.